Proper gas line sizing is critical for Navien tankless water heaters to ensure optimal performance and safety. Understanding the unique gas flow requirements of tankless systems is essential for successful installation. Navien is a leading manufacturer of high-efficiency condensing tankless water heaters, known for their advanced technology and reliability. Traditional tank water heaters maintain a steady, relatively low gas flow to keep stored water hot. In contrast, tankless units like Navien heaters require a much higher gas flow rate when activated, but only heat water on demand. The Navien NPE A2 series features dual stainless steel heat exchangers and advanced condensing technology that achieves up to 98% efficiency. However, this high-performance design requires precise gas line sizing to deliver adequate gas flow. Several critical factors determine proper gas line sizing. The pipe diameter, length, gas pressure, and number of fittings all affect the gas delivery rate to your Navien unit. Professional gas flow calculation tables, like this one, help determine the correct pipe size based on flow rate, pipe length, and pressure drop. These calculations ensure adequate gas supply while maintaining safety standards. Navien's condensing technology achieves up to 98% efficiency by extracting additional heat from exhaust gases. This advanced system requires precise gas flow to maintain optimal performance. Insufficient gas supply can significantly reduce efficiency and cause operational issues. Proper gas line sizing is essential for safety, efficiency, and equipment longevity. Always consult the Navien installation manual and local codes for specific requirements. Professional sizing calculations and adequate gas pressure verification are critical for successful installation. Installing a Navien tankless water heater begins with assessing your existing gas infrastructure. This critical first step determines whether your current setup can support the new unit. Gas line sizing is crucial for proper operation. A half-inch gas pipe may be sufficient for some installations, but this depends on the unit's BTU requirements and pipe length. Use a gas pipe sizing chart to determine the correct diameter. Gas supply pressure must be within specific ranges for proper operation. Natural gas requires 3.5 to 10.5 inches of water column, while propane needs 8.0 to 13.0 inches of water column. Use a manometer to measure pressure accurately. Proper venting is essential for safe operation. Navien units can be vented using PVC Schedule 40, CPVC Schedule 80, approved polypropylene, or stainless steel. Choose the appropriate material based on your installation requirements and local codes. Determine the required flow rate based on your household's simultaneous hot water needs. Generally, 3.5 GPM serves 1 to 2 fixtures, 5 GPM for 2 to 3 fixtures, and 7 GPM for 3 to 4 fixtures running simultaneously. Installation typically takes 2 to 6 hours depending on complexity. Always prioritize safety by following local codes and the Navien installation manual. Consider hiring a licensed professional for gas line work and electrical connections.